5 o'clock, time and after the weather, magician with PJ Wiggins, the evening report. Wednesday, June 5th, 2013. Good evening, everybody. Our current conditions at 5 p.m. in Norton, Massachusetts on this Wednesday, June the 5th, 2013. The temperature at 69 degrees with a humidity 44%. Wind speed south by about 8 miles per hour. Barometer 30.12 inches. 2.46 degrees and visibly at 10 miles. We're going to take a look at our radar picture and it shows
materials that were found inside.
all's clear on the radar scope in New England except for a few showers, line of showers in northeastern Vermont, but this is where our rainmaker is going to be here. Western Florida and eastern Gulf of Mexico is where it is raining the heaviest end. That's going to be a little tropical precipitation, a low chance. And a couple of rain showers and thunderstorms in South Carolina and rain showers in Georgia, northwestern Georgia, stretching eastern Tennessee and eastern Kentucky. And a couple of little showers and thunderstorms in Missouri and stretching into eastern Iowa and western and northern Illinois and stretching into central Wisconsin and stretching into UP, Michigan and eastern Minnesota. And a couple of showers and thunderstorms in southern Colorado and northeastern Mexico. Okay, 7-day forecast goes like this. We're going to take a look at the hazardous weather outlook. Day 1 tonight. Hazardous weather is not expected this time. Days 2 through 7, Thursday through Tuesday. Friday afternoon through Saturday morning. An axis of heavy rain is anticipated across the region with 1 or 2 inches possible in 6 hours. 2 to 3 in 12 hours with locally higher amounts. Consequently, flooding will be a distinct possibility with impacts to urban communities. Low-lying areas and small streams. There is a moderate to a high-risk event. The exact location of the axis of heavy rain remains uncertain, but there is a considerable confidence that location within southern New England will be impacted. People living within flood-prone areas should be on high alert for the possibility of flooding. Okay, on to our 7-day forecast goes like this. Tonight, partial skies will lower to 49 degrees. South wind about 6 miles per hour, becoming calm after midnight. Thursday, mostly sunny skies, high near 74 degrees. Light south wind increase about 5 to 10 miles per hour in the morning. Thursday night, rain likely up mainly after 4 a.m. Patchy fog after 5 a.m. Otherwise, cloudy skies will lower 53 degrees. Southeast wind about 5 to 7 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 60%. New precipitation amounts of less than a 10th of an inch possible. Friday, rain, patchy fog before 9 a.m. and high near 66 degrees. East wind about 6 to 8 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 9%. New precipitation amounts between a quarter and a half inch possible. Friday night, rain can be heavy at times. Low around 55 degrees, northeast wind about 7 to 9 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 80%. New precipitation amounts between 1 and 2 inches possible. Saturday, rain likely mainly before 2 p.m. Cloudy with a high near 68 degrees. Chance of precipitation 70%. New precipitation amounts between a half and a 3/4 of an inch possible. Saturday night, a chance of showers mostly cloudy with a low of 55 degrees. Chance of precipitation 40%. Saturday, partly sunny skies high to 75 degrees. Sunday night, a chance of showers mostly cloudy skies with a low of 56 degrees. Chance of precipitation 30%. Mondays, the showers likely mostly cloudy with a high to 75 degrees. Chance of precipitation 70%. Monday night, showers likely mostly cloudy skies with a low of 61 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 60%. Tuesday, a chance of showers partly sunny skies but I do 77 degrees partly sunny skies. Chance of precipitation is 40%. Tuesday night, a chance of showers mostly cloudy skies with a low of 58 degrees. Chance of precipitation 40%. And Wednesday, showers likely mostly cloudy skies but I do 72 degrees. Chance of precipitation 60%. Peter's weather for today. One more day of sunny skies and then it's gonna be a Friday rain event. This is PJ Wiggins. Have a good day with a good positive attitude.